Hello friends, I am Dr. Nazrul Islam, Department of Geography, Shitulkuchi College. Today I will discuss about the classification of data. First we have to define classification. Classification is the process of arranging the available facts into homogeneous groups or classes according to resemblance and similarities. According to R.L. Connor, classification is the process of arranging things, either actually or notionally, in groups or classes according to their resemblance and affinities, and giving expression to the unity of attributes that may subsist among diversity of individuals. Main features of classification. The main features of classification are as follows. Number one, it transforms the heterogeneous data into homogeneous. Number two, all the units having similar characteristics are placed in one class or group. Number three, the basis of classification is unity in diversity. Number four, the classification may be either actual or notional. Number five, it may be according to either attributes or characteristics or measurements. Objectives of classifications are to condense the mass data, to facilitate comparison, to clearly bring out the similarities and dissimilarities of data, to prepare the basis of future analysis, to bring out relationship. The following are the elements of classification. Number one, unambiguity or exactness. Number two, stability. Number three, flexibility. Number four, homogeneity. Number five, suitability. And number six, arithmetical accuracy. Methods of classification. Every item of the collected data has its own characteristics. These characteristics can be of two types: descriptive, that is honesty, beauty, sex, etc. These characteristics are those which cannot be measured directly, but they are counted on the basis of presence or absence, non-measurable characteristics or attributes. Number two, numerical, such as height, weight, profit, etc. Statistical or numerical data can have two types of classification. Number one, classification according to attributes or qualitative classification. Number two, classification according to variables or quantitative classification. Qualitative classification can be of two types. Number one, dichotomy or twofold classification, when on the basis of presence or absence of an attribute, the data are classified into two classes, one possessing that attributes and the other not possessing the attributes. It is called twofold or dichotomous classification. Example, students are divided by sex. This is attribute, and then male and female. Number two, manifold classification. The classification where two or more attributes are considered and several classes are formed is called manifold classification. Example of manifold classification is classification of students with respect to two attributes, that is sex and employment, and then sex is classified into male and female, and finally on the basis of employment it is classified into male employed, female employed, male unemployed, female unemployed. This is the diagrammatical feature of manifold classification. Quantitative classification. If the data are classified on the basis of phenomena which is capable of quantitative measurement like age, height, weight, prices, production, income, expenditure, sales, profit, etc., it is termed as quantitative classification. The main methods of such classification are as follows. Number 1, geographical classification. Number 2, chronological classification. Number 3, variable classification. Variable classification again subdivided into two types, that is continuous variable and discrete variable. Geographical classification. This type of classification is based on geographical or locational differences between various items in the data like states, cities, regions, zones, etc. For example, the yield of agricultural output per hectares for different countries in some given period may be presented as follows. Agricultural output of different countries in kg per hectare in different countries. Chronological classification. When data are classified with respect to different periods of time, hour, day, week, month, year, etc., it is known as chronological or temporal classification. For example, the population of India for different decades may be presented as follows. Variable classification. The quantitative phenomena under study is known as variable classification. Variables are of two types, continuous variable and discrete variable. Continuous variable, those variables which can take a whole as well as fraction values called continuous variable. Example, height, weight, amount of rainfall, production of crops, etc. B. Discrete variable, those variables which can take only whole numbers, not fraction, are called discrete or discontinuous variables. For example, number of persons admitted in hospitals, number of trees, number of cattle, etc. These are the expected questions from this topic we have discussed. Number 1, define classification, explain purpose and method of classification, giving suitable examples related to business and industry. Discuss in brief the methods of classification. Discuss the purpose, methods and importance of classification. What are the objectives of classification of data? Explain classification according to attributes and classification according to class intervals with suitable examples. Thank you. If you have any query, you may contact with this email address. Thank you.